Hey science explorers, imagine you're chilling on a beach, sipping a coconut drink, when suddenly, SCRECH, Earth slams on the brakes and stops spinning for just 1 second. Sound harmless, right? Wrong. In that tiny blink, our planet turns into a cosmic catastrophe machine. Buildings fly, oceans rage, and you be launched like a human cannonball. Today, we're diving into this wild, what-if scenario. We'll break down the physics, the destruction, and the surprising aftermath. Stick around because by the end, you'll never look at Earth spin the same way. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button for more animated science adventures. Let's hit 1 million subs this year. First things first, why does Earth spin? It all started 4.5 billion years ago when a swirling cloud of gas and dust collapsed into our solar system. Earth's rotation is a leftover from that cosmic whirl, spinning us at about 1,000 miles per hour at the equator. That's faster than a supersonic jet. But what if it stopped? Even for a second. Okay, let's hit the pause button on reality. Earth stops spinning instantly for 1 second. What happens? It's all about inertia, Newton's first law in action. Everything on Earth is moving with the planet's rotation. So, if the ground stops, you don't. At the equator, you're zipping along at 1,040 miles per hour. Stop the spin? Bam! You'd be flung eastward at that speed. That's like being shot from a railgun. People in New York might end up in the Atlantic, while folks in the Midwest crash into mountains. But it's not just people. Think oceans. The Pacific would slosh eastward like a giant tidal wave, flooding Asia in seconds. Winds? Hurricane force gales at 1,000 miles per hour would shred everything. Skyscrapers? They'd topple like dominoes. Airplanes in flight? They'd keep going, but landing? Forget it. The runways are gone. Question for you. What if you're at the poles? Zero rotational speed there, so you'd barely notice until the global mess catches up. And fun fact, this is like that scene in Superman where he reverses Earth's spin. Except here, it's a disaster, not a time machine. Now let's zoom in on the science. Earth's spin creates a centrifugal force that slightly flattens our planet, like a pizza dough being spun. Stop it. The equator bulges out more under gravity alone, causing massive earthquakes as the crust adjusts. Volcanoes might erupt from the stress. What about gravity? It stays the same, but without spin, you'd feel a tiny bit heavier at the equator, about 0.3% more. Not enough to notice amid the flying debris. The atmosphere? It's spinning too, so it'd keep whirling, creating supersonic winds that could strip away parts of our air shield. Temperatures? 1 second isn't long enough for major changes, but the sudden jolt could trigger weather Armageddon. Think global storms lasting weeks. And the magnetic field? Earth's core spin generates it like a dynamo. A 1 second stop might flicker it, letting in more solar radiation. Hello, auroras everywhere, but also tech glitches like fried satellites. Wild, right? Imagine your phone GPS going haywire mid-catastrophe. Viewer challenge. Pause and comment below. What's the first thing you grab if Earth stops spinning? After that insane second, Earth starts spinning again. But the damage? Irreversible. Tsunamis reshape coastlines, winds carve new landscapes, and billions. Well, let's just say survival rates aren't great. Ecosystems collapse, animals flung, plants uprooted. Long term? Days and nights resume, but with wobbles from the jolt, potentially shifting seasons, or even the axis tilt. Climate change accelerates from disrupted ocean currents. Humanity rebuilds, but society? Transformed. New tech for spin-proof buildings? Space colonies as backup? Fun twist. In movies like The Core, stopping the spin dooms us, but here it's just 1 second. Still apocalyptic. Science shows Earth's spin is slowing naturally by 1.7 milliseconds per century from tidal friction. So this scenario? A sped-up version of our distant future. Mind blown. So if Earth stops spinning for 1 second, total mayhem. From inertial launches to geological reboots. It's a reminder of how delicately balanced our world is. Luckily, it's just a thought experiment. For now, what do you think? Would you survive? Drop your survival strategies in the comments. Like this video if it spun your mind, and subscribe for more what-ifs like what if gravity flipped. Share with a friend who loves science chaos. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, and see you in the next orbit.